The Touchstone Sideline Elite Smart Electric Fireplace is a remarkable addition to any home, offering the perfect blend of contemporary elegance and cutting-edge functionality. Designed for in-wall installation, this 60-inch fireplace not only enhances the aesthetic appeal of your living space, but also provides warmth and ambience with its realistic flames and advanced features. In this detailed review, we will explore the key aspects that make the Sideline Elite a standout choice for homeowners seeking both style and practicality in their fireplace. From its advanced settings to its cozy warmth, this electric fireplace promises to elevate your home's atmosphere. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Designed for in-wall installation. This electric fireplace is a top-notch choice for homeowners seeking an in-wall fireplace solution. Its minimalist black frame effortlessly integrates into your decor, providing a sleek and modern look. This fireplace's 60-inch size is versatile, making it suitable for installation in a living room, bedroom, or office. Homeowners can confidently tackle the installation process thanks to the provided easy-to-follow instructions. Number 2. Advanced features. This electric fireplace boasts a range of advanced features that enhance its appeal. With 6 flame color options and 10 media color options that can run independently, this fireplace allows you to create the perfect ambience for any occasion. It also features a thermostat with a temperature range from 68-88 degrees Fahrenheit, ensuring your room stays comfortably warm. Additionally, the fireplace can remember your preferred flame settings and can be conveniently turned on/off using a light switch or a smart device. You can adjust the flame speed and choose from 5 different flame and fire bed intensity settings. Whether you prefer a cozy evening or a more dramatic fire display, this fireplace caters to your desires. Furthermore, it can be plugged in or hardwired, providing installation flexibility. The package includes a full log set, driftwood, and crystals to customize the look of your fireplace. The minimal frame surround and large flame viewing area emphasize the spectacular fire quality. Number 3. Realistic flame with 10 color combinations. To replicate the cozy atmosphere of a traditional fireplace, this electric fireplace produces authentic-looking flames that closely mimic real fire. With an impressive array of 60 color options and multiple intensity settings, this fireplace allows you to create the perfect visual ambience for any occasion. Both the heat and flame settings can be conveniently operated using the included remote control, batteries not included, providing you with effortless control over your fireplace's performance. Number 4. Faux fire log, driftwood, and crystals included. The package includes Faux fire logs, driftwood, and crystals to add an authentic touch to your fireplace. This attention to detail enhances the overall realism of the fireplace, elevating your home's aesthetic. It's recommended to position the fireplace at least 8 inches below the ceiling or any mounted items for safety. Number 5. Perfect for supplemental heat. Apart from its visual appeal, this electric fireplace serves as a functional source of supplemental heat. It offers 2 heat settings, high and low, and a thermostat with a range from 68-88 degrees Fahrenheit, allowing you to customize the warmth to your preference. Heat vents are conveniently located in the upper front area of the unit. Whether you need a gentle warmth on a chilly evening or a more substantial heat source, this fireplace has you covered. Dimensions. Product dimensions are 1 inches, depth by 4 inches, width by 19 inches height. Specifications. Take a moment to look at the specifications. Pause if you'd like to read them thoroughly. Pros and cons. 4 reasons to buy. Sleek and modern in-wall design. Multiple flame and media color options. Advanced thermostat with a wide temperature range. Remote control operation for convenience. 1 reason not to buy. Some users may find the price point relatively high. Conclusion. The Touchstone Sideline Elite Smart Electric Fireplace combines aesthetic excellence with practical functionality. Its advanced features, realistic flames, and customizable settings make it a standout choice for enhancing the ambience of any room while providing supplemental heat. Whether for modern decor or traditional settings, this fireplace delivers both style and substance. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.